Welcome back to Maple and Saffron. Today I have a breakfast or any time of the day recipe for you. It's from Sweden, and so I have done the honors of converting from deciliter to grams because in Canada we don't have a deciliter measuring cup, and try as hard as I can't find one. So the recipe calls for 400 deciliters of flour, which is 212 grams, if Google is right. In the flour, I've put a teaspoon and a half of salt. And then the rest of the recipe, you have 250 grams of spinach and 6 eggs, and we'll have 900 mils of milk and a tablespoon of oil. So I'll just go ahead and put it all together. So first, just mix the salt and flour together. Then you're supposed to do half the milk and then add the eggs and then the other half the milk. So there's 450. And this recipe is for four people, not 4 pancakes. And I was also taught that if you're making this, it's better to make it the night before, but sometimes you do what you gotta do in the morning. And it probably doesn't really matter what order you put these ingredients in because you're just making a smooth batter anyways. I'm just following the recipe. Pro tip you can learn from me is you can not know that there's a hole in your frozen spinach bag and put it in the fridge to defrost overnight. And then when you come in the morning, there's a big massive puddle of spinach water that has gone under the fridge. So before you start, you have to actually clean up the spinach water mess, but it gets underneath the fridge clean. So hashtag winning, question mark. Now the rest of our milk and our oil. And once this is all smooth and lovely, then we'll put our spinach in. And the spinach should be chopped, but I buy the pre-chopped frozen because who wants to chop spinach? You can also make this in a blender. It makes it faster, but not by much. It will also make it like more smooth because the spinach pieces will be gone. It'll just be a lot more green. All right, so we just have to fry them, and that's it. This is the finished product. I'm about halfway through the batter and I've got 9 pancakes. They're thin, they're more like a crepe thickness, a little bit thicker. But so maybe like 20 pancakes total if you cook the whole batch. And you're supposed to eat it with lingon. It's a very important part. You can get it at IKEA. They're good, try them. If you don't like them, then they're not for you.